Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix OpenAL32.dll is missing and was not found in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to bring up any of the browser that is available in your Windows or computer. So just have to open it. You can use your Google Chrome. You can also use your Microsoft Edge, Opera Mini, or whatever browser that is available that's good to go. Okay. So once you have opened it, you need to proceed on the description box below and just have to copy the link that I will be pasting there. Okay. Once you have copied it, Control V to paste and then click on enter once you have pasted it. You would be redirected to the MediaFire website where you can see an attachment link there where you can download this OpenAL. Now just have to click on download. In my case, I won't be doing such since I have already downloaded it at my Windows, okay? But in your case, you have to click on download so that you can proceed to our next step, okay? It will only take 1 minute or less than that. It would depend on your network connection since it only consumes a lesser megabyte size here. In fact, it only has this 9.06 MB. Once you have downloaded it, close this window and try to copy it here at the desktop. Where here you need to open the folder. And the moment you have opened it, you would be able to see this. Okay, just have to double tap it. The moment your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes. And here it has this license agreement. Just have to click on OK. Once the installation is being completed, close and then close this window and try to run your game again and try to install that. Okay, so check if the error still persists. I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay, so that is the step on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.